Hi, this is Muhammad Ayaz. Hope you will be fine and in good health. Today we will discuss about the Brighto paints. Do watch this video till the last. This is gonna be a very interesting video. Let's start with the introduction. Brighto Paints Private Limited is one of the largest manufacturers of a wide variety of decorative paints in Pakistan. Founded by Mr. Riaz Ahmed Sikka, Brighto Paints has been operating since 1973. It has always been a self-financed company by its founder and his four sons and never ventured for any loan up to this date. Originally, it was just a small shop located in Shadra, Lahore. His resilience and business intelligence led Brighto Paints to become the market leader today. They started with the production of synthetic enamel paint, the first for Pakistan. The production design is still followed as an industry norm even after decades. Brighto has 1,450 dealers, 6 manufacturing facilities, 6 regional centers and 72 sales offices. Brighto Paints Private Limited are certified by ISO 9001, which proves its quality beyond doubts. Over 35 years, Brighto Paints Private Limited has grown significantly in Pakistan, and today it stands known as the paint of 21st century. They introduced Pakistan paint industry to global market, and now they have 2 showrooms in the Qatar and one they have recently opened in August 31st, 2020 with its partnering Fame Unique Trading Company. Company is growing every year with their integrated supply chain. Brighto Paints have very bright future as its name reflect and its color quality. They received an International Crown Award from London for its quality. Now we will talk about their current production operations. The current process of Brighto Paints is a batch shop under the repetitive MPC classification schema, as there is a relatively stable line of products, each of which is produces in periodic batches. Modern paint manufacturing involves a blending process to disperse pigment into a vehicle system. Typically, a rinse or a varnish type materials is first charged into a mill with thinner and grinding aids. Pigments and extenders are added. The mill is then operated until the pigments particles are broken down and uniformly dispersed to create a grind paste. The grind paste is extended within the rinse and thinner and dropped into a thinned down tank. Other materials are added to the tank to make the finished product. At this point, a sample of the material is brought into the quality control laboratory and a number of tests are conducted to compare the batch versus the standard parameters it is designed to meet. Trained technicians evaluate the results and then make adjustments for color matching and other characteristics such as viscosity and gloss. Once the final product, that is paint, is ready to be shipped off from storage, the store supervisor first looks for an order sheet, means purchase order, which is sent by territory sales manager with the appropriate account code to identify customer order. Based on that order sheet, a delivery challan is issued by store supervisor. In case of small orders within the city, 2 or more delivery challans for 2 different retailers are gathered and together their merchandise is loaded into small Mazda trucks, which reaches retailers who had requested for the merchandise. Delivery challan is cross-checked with the stock placed on the trucks and signed receiving is given by the retailer to the SPO, who usually accompanies trucks. In case of big orders, usually outside cities, the merchandise is loaded on distributor truck and there they take the responsibility for delivering the merchandise to retailers. In both the cases mentioned, a gate pass is issued based on delivery challan, which specify the detail of the amount of supply to be delivered and their respective codes. In case of damage of merchandise, the company liable for the damage and it pays accordingly. Otherwise, vendor truck is responsible. Currently, their delivery is outsourced and no salespersons of the company accompanies those trucks outside the city. Brighto Paints gives 35% of their merchandise to distributors and 65% to retailers. Now let's have a look over their inventory management system. Inventory management or inventory control is an attempt to balance inventory needs and requirements with the need to minimize costs resulting from obtaining and holding inventory. The term inventory implies a store quantity of goods that exceeds what is needed for the firm to function at the current time. Effective inventory management is the first major component of Brighto Paints strategy on distribution cost control. Brighto Paints achieved high efficiency in this regard. Brighto Paints offered customers and dealers a high level of services in product delivery compared to its competitors. Brighto has invested 31 crore rupees to modernize its communication, supply chain management and installation of ERP. Brighto linked its 1,450 dealers including suppliers, 6 manufacturing facilities, 6 regional centers and 72 sales offices. Raw materials, work in process, finished goods, packing materials, stores, spares are carried at the lower cost and net realizable value. Unserviceable stocks are suitably depreciated in determining cost of raw material, packing material, traded goods, stores, spares. Weighted average method is used. FIFO is used for work in process and finished goods. Role of sales and operations planning. Main function of sales and operations planning in any organization is to ensure that customer demand should be met by the production, distribution and purchasing. They involve their sales team in forecasting by involving their procurement team and work on the MPS master production schedule. The R&D takes the market analysis input from the marketing and sales department and study the current trends and demand of the market. Now, how they adopt the strategies to avoid stockouts. There are many ways and strategies to avoid stockouts like just-in-time inventory system. By calculating reorder point, an organization can also avoid stockouts by vendor managed inventory, and organization can integrate its suppliers to avoid stockouts. As per their saying, they have ERP system and suppliers are integrated with them and they do not run out of stock, which also helps them to maintain their optimum inventory required and reduces the cost and lead time. Accurate demand forecasting by means of inventory management software helps them target the kind of markets that have specific needs and enables the company to avoid situations where they are either out of stock or were wasting resources in inventory. Thank you very much for watching. Keep spotting and do subscribe my channel. See you then.